The realest flex is healing yourself without becoming like those who hurt you. That is a real flex. Run in the drought!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wait a minute. I got crystals, y'all. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I don't know how many of y'all that had crystals. They wings. Oh my God. These things right here. Boy, them things right there hit different. I don't know if y'all done had them. I don't know, but they hit different. They spicy. They real spicy. I love them. I can't get enough of them. But I ain't had them in a minute. But I just had a taste for them today. I had a taste for them today. How y'all day going? Got me a little rain. Got me a little rain. How y'all day going today? You know you can't go to Krystal without getting crystals. I got me a couple of these. I got the 12 piece, y'all. That's the 12 piece. Ooh, hold on. Oh. Boy, listen here now. Listen here, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all hear me? I love y'all. I said, you know what? I'm finna go ahead and smash these crystals real quick, right? And then I said, you know what? I ain't gonna do it like that. I ain't gonna do it like that. I'm gonna go to the crazy, get this show popping. We're gonna do it like that right there. Bam. So that's what I'm on, y'all. Cause I love y'all. And I love to come see y'all. And see what y'all got going. See what y'all doing. And I love how y'all be in the comments. Telling me how y'all day been going for real, for real. A lot of y'all going through a lot of different things. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, it's a part of life. You know, we all go through stuff, you know? Ain't none of us perfect. Ain't none of our situations perfect. You know what I'm saying? But you keep the faith, stay prayed up, you'll be alright. No matter, think about this now. No matter how bad times may seem, I'm pretty sure it was a point of your life where it was harder than this. You know what I'm saying? So, just thank God you ain't there no more. Where you was. You know what I'm saying? Just thank God. Hold on. Get these lights a little closer up on y'all. Bam. There we go. Thumbnail. Hold on, let me let y'all get the food. Then I'm gonna come back on you. Yeah. Y'all see the food? There we go. But look, y'all. I had somebody, right? They had, what am I forgetting to do? I'm forgetting to do something. I ain't doing no QueenEATEAT because y'all know, y'all see it. Y'all know what that is. So I ain't doing no QueenEATEAT, y'all. Y'all, let me dip this in a little rain. Give y'all some of this. There you go. Get your body that there. Get your body that there. Mm. Mm. Y'all get a chance. I might make this thumbnail, y'all. Yeah, their wings, I like mine extra crispy. So yeah, I had somebody, right? They said, King. Oh, before I say that, somebody was in my comments talking about, man, why you always talking? You ain't Dr. Phil. Don't nobody want to hear that. I look at it like this. No. Just crust on them things when they extra crispy. It's so different for me. But yeah, look. Let me bring back up for you. Move that. There we go. Mash it down. But y'all, somebody asked me, right? Got the Snapple today. Somebody asked me, said, King, how bad do you want to be successful? Like, would you do anything to be successful? Like, what does it take to really be successful? Look at him. I'm gonna tell you like this right here. I'm gonna be honest with you. To me, it all depends on what that means to you, the word success. Cause everybody's perception of success is not the same. Like my opinion of success for me is being happy, being able to take care of my family, being able to help other people. That's just my version of success. I know a friend of mine, her version of success is just for somebody to love her. Really and truly genuine love. That's her version of success. That's all she wants. So, I got another friend. He got a whole lot of health problems. So, his version of success is just being healthy. He don't want to be sick no more. You know what I'm saying? That's all he wants. That's his version of success. If he get that, If she get that, to them, they successful. You know what I'm saying? So, it all depends on who talking about success. What is success to you? Some people just want to be rich. I'm successful. They give me some money. I'm good. I'm successful. Which is cool if that's what you want. You know? Like I said. Everybody looks at it different. But with all those things, it still remains the same when you're chasing it. How bad do you want it, you know? And what are you willing to give up to get it? That's how I look at it. Like, I heard my boy E.T. tell this story one time. He said, hold on, y'all. He said, there was this young guy, and he ran into a very, very successful guy, right? And he said, the guy asked the successful guy, man, what do I got to do to be like you? I want to be successful. Hello? Doing the show? You want to say hey? Hold on. All right, go, there you go. Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
She fake.
Bye, y'all.
Hello. All right, I call you soon I'm done. Huh? Okay. All right. So like I was saying, y'all, my bad. There was Queen, y'all already know the vibes. But like I was saying, he asked a successful guy, what do I have to do to be like you? I want to be successful. And so he said, well, how bad do you want it? And said, it's that crunch that get me. I love it. You know how crispy y'all like y'all chicken. But with these wings right here, I like mine very crispy. There's something about it. So he said, the successful guy told him, meet me at the beach tomorrow, 3 o'clock. The other guy said, I'll be there. So the guy said he went home, he was like, the beach? We go swimming or something? He didn't understand it. Why the successful guy told him to meet him at the beach, but just got rich. He know what to do, so he said he going. You know? Next day he got there. Guy standing on the beach. He walked over to the guy. He said, all right, I'm here. What do I got to do to be successful? So the rich guy told him, walk out there. Yeah, walk out where? Walk out there to the water. He said, man, I thought you were going to tell me how to be successful, man. I ain't trying to take no swim. He told him, you want to be successful, you walk out there. So he said, all right. When guy walked out there, the water to get up to about his ankles. He looked back at the successful guy. The other guy doing like this, so keep on going. He walked out there some more. Let it get up to like his knees. He looked back at that successful guy. The successful guy told him, you keep on going. Yeah, keep going. So he said, he thought to himself, man, this guy's crazy. I told him I want to be successful. He got me out here swimming. He said, but he's rich though. You know what he's talking about. I'm gonna keep on going. So, he kept on going. The water got up to about his belly button. He looked back at the successful guy. The successful guy said, I just tell him when to stop. So God said he kept going. So he kept going and went all the way up to his neck. Said the successful guy was right behind him when he turned around again and dumped his head in the water. The guy was kicking and drowning and kicking and swimming and trying to get up. So successful guy held his head under there. Right before he passed out, the successful guy pulled him up and said, what you want? He said, man, what you talking about? Man, you crazy. He said, when you was underwater, what did you want? He said, man, what do you mean what I want? He said, when you was underwater, what's the only thing you wanted? He said, man, I wanted to breathe. I wanted to breathe. And the successful guy said, you got it. When you want to be successful, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. Some of us don't want to be successful as bad as we want to breathe. Some of us don't even want to be successful as bad as we want to sleep. Some of us don't want to be successful as bad as we want to go out to the club. I got people, y'all. Now, I ain't telling nobody how to live their life now. Who am I? I can only tell you my point of view. Where I'm trying to go. It's okay to go out and have fun. You heard me. You should. But when you get to the point where you want to party more than you want to be successful, or you want to sleep more, if you got a goal or a dream you trying to chase, and every weekend you in the club and you ain't no bartender or no disc jockey or no club owner or no security guard there or something, you might want to reevaluate what you got going on. I'm just saying. I'm gonna step on a couple toes there. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Just look at it now. No, I ain't say look at the people on TV. I ain't say look at the people on Instagram. Cause some of y'all living their life just to impress them people. Cause I done been witness. I done been witness to people who go out to parties and clubs, go buy a new outfit, buy new shoes, and get your hair fixed or cut or whatever. And throwing women and me in there just to go out and impress a whole bunch of nobodies. Just to keep up with such and such and them. A lot of us spend money we ain't got to impress people that don't even matter. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be all the way 100 with y'all. I used to be one of them people. I used to go out my way. I ain't lying. I promise I ain't lying. Just to post stuff on the ground and on Facebook. I ain't lying. I was what you call an attention seeker. That's what I was. It was like I was looking for validation from regular people that I didn't even know. What was I doing? Now, I'm at the point now, right now, if it don't got nothing to do with my brand, some kind of promo, or some kind of business, I won't even post it. I'm just saying. I don't see a point. I don't see a point. But like I said, I'm just talking about me. See, I had to change my attitude so I could change my altitude. You see what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all. Most of the people that you're trying to impress, next year won't even matter. How long you gonna do it? I'm gonna be honest with you. I was trying to impress a whole bunch of nobodies. For real. You know, he's kicking y'all. Now, y'all might want to get y'all fried regular. But with these wings, I like that crunch. That extra crunch. And they spicy. I'm gonna tell y'all this too. I'm gonna tell y'all this too. Shout out to the gas can. That's that Snapple, y'all. 5. The kiwi strawberry. 5. The kiwi strawberry 5, y'all. But I'm gonna tell y'all this. The sooner we focus the sooner we focus on our careers and what we got going, ain't none of that other stuff gonna matter no more anyway. Now I'm gonna look back and be like, man, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? I just be thinking about all the money I wasted. Buying shoes and stuff. Just to go out and take pictures. Go out just to act like you having fun so you can take videos and pictures and stuff and put them up. Man. I wasted a whole lot of time and money. But when you know better, you do better. And that's how I looked at it. When I learned better, I did better. You know what I'm saying? So most of us, we'll come to our senses sooner or later. But if not, you're gonna be lost out here because if you think somebody's gonna come just hand you your dream or hand you the career you're looking for, man, you better wake up. You better wake up. How old are you now? I ain't had to tell you in all these. If you ain't realizing all this time, there ain't nobody coming to save you. Ain't nobody coming to help you. The situation you in right now, you're gonna be in that situation until the day you die, unless you change it. Ain't nobody else coming. Don't nobody else care. %80 of the world don't care, and the other 20% glad is you. Shout out Les Brown. Ain't nobody coming to save you. I'm gonna be honest. It took me a minute to figure that out. Nobody really care. And I can't even really just say they don't care. It's just that other people got their lives to live, you know? Other people, you know, they got things they focus on. So don't nobody have time to hold your hand. Man, listen. Oh. It's a great big old world out there, y'all. I call it the game of life. A lot of us we stay in the breaches our whole life. But sooner or later, if you want to be successful, you're gonna have to get out the you're gonna have to get out the stands and get in the game. That punch. You're gonna have to get out the stands and get in the game. Sooner or later. If you want to be successful. Now, if you don't want to be successful, and you satisfied where you at, it's cool. A lot of us get good jobs, good careers, and we'll be satisfied. But I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you this. If you're waking up and you're doing something every day that you can't stand doing, you ain't living. You just existing. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I'm just gonna be honest with you. You gotta at least be working towards something. I'm gonna tell you this. You either get busy living or get busy dying. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I know a few people that's dead right now walking around. Just dead, they done already died and gave up. You know? I try to talk to people, you know, just to encourage people. You know, I ain't nobody. You know, who am I? You know, I can't make nobody listen now. And I ain't trying to say I know everything. But I know one thing. I know one thing. That if you change your mind from thinking negative thoughts all the time to thinking positive thoughts all the time, I bet you any kind of money, your outcome will change. I can guarantee you that. If I don't know nothing else, I know that. If you change your mindset from thinking negative all the time, negative thoughts to positive thoughts, you'll have a lot better outcome. I can guarantee you that. I know that for a fact because it happened to me. You know, but hey, who am I? I'm just a guy on camera, love to eat. That's all I am. That's all I am, y'all. That's all I am, you know. But I love y'all. I really do. I love y'all. I'm gonna let y'all get on the battery though, cuz I sit here and run my mouth all day. I run my mouth all day. You know, I already got people telling me I talk too much. But I'm gonna tell you this. I know that's not gonna go. But I am. But I'm gonna tell you this. Every time I get that one person, that one person that come in my comments and be like, "Thank you, King. I needed to hear that." That's all I need. Just one. Out of the thousands of people that watch my video, just that one. Job well done for me. Just one. If I can just help one, it was worth it. But I love y'all. Oh, man. I forgot to tell y'all about the merch. QueenEATEAT. QueenEATEAT. I'm QueenEATEAT now. Face mask EE. T-shirt EE. Bunny EE. Ski mask EE. Entrepreneur EE. Y'all know, excuse me, y'all know I do all this myself. Ain't no drop ship, none of that. The number is below in the description. It say merch. Text the number. I'm gonna put it right here too though. Text that number. Don't call. Text that number right there. And I got you. I'm gonna get you together. I love y'all. I ain't got time to pull all the merch out, but y'all know what? QueenEATEAT. QueenEATEAT. Bunny EE. The bunny right here, though. I can pull the bunny out, y'all. Because the bunny right here. Oh, no, this is ski mask. Ski mask, eat. Hold on. Everything right here look like. Y'all already know. Face mask, eat. Bunny to eat. Bunny to eat in the building. And the t-shirt somewhere. Y'all already know the vibe. I love y'all. If ain't nobody told you today, I love you. If ain't nobody tell you yesterday, I love you. Remember this. Be the best in whatever that you are. Reach for the moon. But if you miss, just hang on to a star. I love y'all. All my E's out there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.